Bro. So where's the light? Lighter.
Sorry.
Go here, bro. So light each candle. I think this one and this one. Richmond and Adriana. So light each candle. It symbolized before you were in Christ, you each had your own lives, your own strategies, your own decisions on what is right and what was wrong. But now you are in Christ. By doing this, then get a candle. Can we remove it? Yes. Be careful. Ingat, bro. Ingat. Alright? Yeah, go for it. Then you like to do candle. Yep. By doing this, you are acknowledging that God is the light of your lives. He's the light. He's the one who gives meaning. Yes. He's everything, and now that you are married, you must also leave behind your individual lives when you are still single. You are now one is married couple, one in Christ. So focus your eyes on Jesus. May I request all the principal sponsors and the parents of the couple to come forward so that we may pray over them. Bro, can you name and Adriana?